Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As you can tell, my color has changed. I used to be a blonde, close to platinum, but it's been 10 years being blonde and I needed a change. I might go blonde, I always sort of do, but I might keep this color. I like it, so let's see how long I last with it. And if you want to see the process that I went through to get it, to fill in the blonde and then go to the permanent color, keep on watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share, please. We're not gonna wait any longer. We're just gonna get to the video. Already halfway started, already mixing. So I put a mixture of 1-in-1 bleach and then the developer. I used 10 volume and I did Olaplex because I want my hair to be good. So fingers crossed. I like the way my hair comes out, but let's get through the process. So I want all of it. I have highlights, but I want all of it to just be like a orange color because I have to lift up my hair because my hair is close to black and my roots are dark. So that's why I'm starting with a 10 so I can lift up. And yes, and I'm just doing all my root because my roots was dark. Okay, so I've gone halfway through and I'm not really getting my baby hairs either because I'm gonna go for like a copper. So I just needed to go up to like a orange because I need to fill all in my blonde. Who knows? Process is done. So I went back in. There was like little patches like you see, like brown, but like once I take it off, I'm gonna like rub a little bit of my temperature of my skin down towards the cuticle and it's gonna like brighten it up, but it's pretty much all over bright. So I'm gonna go ahead and just wash this off, and from there we go to the color. Let's see how it turns out. So I just finished washing my hair off. As you can tell, the blonde I had needed my roots to get lighter. They did. And I'm not really worried about the orange in between because we are going copper. So I need to add the gold back into my hair. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to go in with a demi-permanent. And I wanted to get Lanza, but I couldn't find a demi-permanent with Lanza. So we're gonna go a little on the darker side with a 7.4, and this is what color is it? Doesn't say. Okay, so with a 7.4, this is like an orange looking one. So we're gonna go in, dye it. Hopefully I get the color that I want. After like 40 minutes, like it stops processing, you know what I'm saying? So I gotta work for this. I'm hoping I like it. Okay, so far this is what I'm looking like. This is just depositing the gold back into my hair. So since we already did that, I'm going in with the Lanza Darkest Ultra Red Copper blonde. Wish me luck. This process is taking forever, but we're almost done. Okay, so last process. I mix the Lanza 6RRZ with the Lanza Developer 20, and we're gonna go to the copper color. Keep on watching because I'm almost done with the process. So one more thing. Yes, I'm tired. I've been at this since 10 in the morning. What time is it? It's almost 4, 10 minutes to 4, so I'm almost there. And that's to show you how long color takes. Crazy, but this is the process so far. As you can tell, it's a little darker than like the Impossible hair I just had. So I put some on my eyebrows because my eyebrows were like whoop dark. So I think with the blonde I could pass by it, but with this color, like I need a little bit of a red tint. I'm probably gonna wax my eyebrows a little bit too, so it could just be all put together. After this, I'm gonna rinse off. I'm gonna go in with the Olaplex number 2. Let me show you what that looks like. Olaplex number 2. So the number 1, you put it in with the bowl when you're mixing. Now, I already shampooed when I rinsed off like the Impossible looking hair, the L'Oreal 7.4. That one I rinsed it off and then I shampooed because I didn't want to shampoo since I'm gonna, you know, wait 3 days to shampoo and rinse out again. I just wanted to shampoo before I did the real color because I wanted to last me as long as possible. But this one, after shampooing, lightener or rinsing color from hair. So after rinsing this, I'm gonna apply it, leave it on for, I believe you leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. And then I'm gonna put in a Moisture Max, a 4-in-1. I actually saw somebody on Instagram, a professional hairstylist, use it. She mixed this with the number 2, I believe, and she put it in a spray bottle. I think she put some water in it. And then she sprayed it and she left it and the hair didn't look damaged at all. So I'm gonna go back to the video. Maybe I'll talk about it and then maybe I'll do the mixture and then show you guys. And then we'll see if that mixture works or not. And if it works, then it works. If it doesn't, then, well, I'm just gonna still use this and hope for the best. Just believe in the process, girlies. Well, yeah, you can't go from point A to point Z. You gotta go through A, B, C, D, and you know the rest. This is the color that it came out to be. I love it. I love it. So what I'm gonna have to do to keep the color is rinse not too often, and if I'm gonna rinse, wash my hair in cold water. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get like, you know, like the shampoos have red so that it can last. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that, and then we're gonna see what I look like with makeup, my hairstyle, and I'm gonna look cute. So this is what I'm looking like. I love it. It smells so good. Love it. It was a long process, as you guys could tell, but it came out really nice. You know, I'm gonna try to go get the shampoo that has red. I'm gonna show you guys what I buy. I am a cosmetologist, so I do go to SalonCentric. I'm pretty sure you can buy the products from online, on Amazon. I'm not really sure. I love it. It looks so cute. Okay, so I gotta go. I gotta walk my dog, and that's it. You know, I did too much today, so I didn't style it or nothing. I'm just gonna let it air dry. Probably gonna braid it for work tomorrow. I'm just gonna let my hair breathe for a little bit. Oh, and also I want to get like a heat protector and I haven't got one, so that's why I don't want to blow dry my hair. But yeah, this is the